Hello and welcome to the Draper Drum 2.0 tensioner holder installation guide. In this video, we'll show you how to install your tensioner holder to keep your tensioner sprocket on your Draper Drum in place. The first thing we want to do is remove the dust cover top from the Draper Drum. So as you can see here, it's just held on by two bolts. There's one at the front of the dust cover and one right at the back. So you just want to remove those and the dust cover will lift right off. Now we're going to get a look at the tensioner holder. So your kit will include this assembly as well as two bolts and nuts for mounting this to the dust cover. Now this one has two nuts on the long tensioner holder bolt. Yours will only have one. So you want to place this right at the top, the apex, the peak of that dust cover. And as G2 shows, those bolts are coming from the inside. Now you may have these holes pre-drilled for you. Newer models will have them pre-drilled, but you may have to drill them yourself. So now we're going to put the lock nuts on the bolts and then just tighten them up, just so they're nice and secure. Once you've got those secure, you're ready to go reinstall it on your Draper Drum.
This side.
So it goes back on right as it came off.
This side.
And you just want to turn that long bolt until it's right onto the tensioner sprocket nut there. Now you don't want to tighten it just yet. We're going to put the dust cover back on. So you put your bolts, one at top, in front there, and one right at the back. And make sure it's nice and secure. So get that one secured and then make sure the other one's secure. So you want to be sure that that bolt is down onto that nut that's at the end of the tensioner sprocket shaft there. That nut is going to meet with that bolt, so you just crank the bolt down onto there so that it is holding it there. And just to emphasize, you are going to have only one nut, and that is fine. This is the older version that we're seeing here. So you want to make sure that nut is tight against the top bracket there. It's going to hold your tensioner sprocket in place. Thank you, that's it. You've installed your tensioner holder. If you have any questions, please call us or see the website for installation manuals, frequently asked questions, troubleshooting, and also any accessories or replacement parts. For example, you can order the speed up kit to have your Draper Drum go even faster. And as for any replacement parts, if you are within your 1-year warranty period, you should be covered. So please, before you order any replacement parts, please talk to us. If you're within your warranty period, that 1 year, you should be covered. We are 1-800-667-4515. You can talk to us or see our website if you want more information about your Draper Drum. Or if you've just been watching this as part of your research, you can absolutely call us and order your own Draper Drum today. Thanks for watching and best of luck this and every harvest season.